Well, we are in beautiful downtown Wetumpka, Alabama on this beautiful Saturday, April the 30th for Saturday with Sawyer. As you can see down there, they're all busy painting. They're all set up. Let's go down and have a look and see what is going on. And we're gonna walk around the corner here and see, there's Don, he's working. Set up there, doing a little sunflower painting. Good morning, Don.
How you doing, Jack?
I'm doing well, how are you doing?
See you, babe.
Great Saturday morning, isn't it?
Saturday, a lot of great art out here.
Oh yeah, Larry down there painting his wigwam. No, that's his chicken.
That's his chicken painting, baby. Hello, free range chicken. Hello.
The free range chicken. There you go. Yeah, this is great. Company Street, Saturday with Sawyer. There's Wendell. Use a little palette knife. Do a little. That looks good. There's a new gentleman in town. So anyway, yeah, we got Robert Carter, Pastor Robert Carter down here doing his little painting. He has painting all over. Oh, you go right ahead. A lot of folks come down here to see what's going on. Good morning, good morning. Meet me on Company Street. And we got Finch over here. Hi, good morning, Finch. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
We're going to finally get to see you at work.
Yes, doing a little bit of watercoloring this morning.
Yeah, it looks good.
And got to meet a good friend of mine, Joe Rockmeyer. We were nurses together many years ago.
Oh, okay.
And we still are nurses.
There you go. What's a nurse? Always a nurse, right?
Joe's a nurse practitioner. I'm not.
Okay. All right. Good to see you. Let's get back to your painting.
Okay.
And Teresa down here.
Hey there, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Working on my functional art here.
There you go. Looks good, Teresa.
Thank you.
Good to have you back here in Wetumpka.
Yes, it's nice to be back. It's nice to be back with Don's group.
Yes, it's great. It's great.
But I've never done that thing in front of people before. It's like, oh Lord, what am I going to do?
Well, you're doing just fine.
Because I can't talk and chew it, or I can't talk and walk it, or chew gum at the same time. As they say.
There you go. There you go.
I can't take off the stakes on
We have Sue Pierre here. Hey Sue, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Good to see you here on this Saturday with Sawyer. Isn't that great? Isn't this great to have all these artists down here on downtown?
Awesome.
Yeah, one day they're going to be lined up all the way down the street.
They will be.
Yeah. And Jana taking notes. And last but not least, by all means, Rhonda.
Hey,
How are you doing, Rhonda?
good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. You've got the painting the bridge. I
Yeah.
saw the little sketch on Facebook
Yeah,
earlier.
yeah. I'm just going to probably just outline it today, but yeah, I'm starting.
Well, it takes a while. I mean, painting is not something you do overnight.
No,
Not like an instant copy.
no, it's not.
Yeah,
Bob Ross made it look good, didn't he?
he did.
Made it look easy.
Yeah, he made it look really, really easy.
And it's very hard for us who really, take our time about it.
Yep. So, okay, I'll let you get back to your work.
All right, Mr.
Okay.
Thank you for coming by.
Yes, sir.
Tim sent this dog to me through my phone, and I blow it up and then transfer it over. I don't transfer it over, I draw it onto It's watercolor paper, and I do it in pencil and then cover it in watercolor. So.
And so they were fighting me out.
This one, yeah, please do. Okay. Yeah, I'd be glad to do
And
it
they
for
were
you.
punishing me by making me sit myself with the mask on. I said, I'm not wearing that. I'm not doing
So I'm here with Pastor Robert Carter with Saturday with Sawyer, and he's out here painting with everyone. Robert, tell me a little bit about what we got going on here today.
Well, since I retired from pastoring, I had taken up the hobby of oil painting. It's a relaxing sort of quiet time that I enjoy doing, and if I sell enough paintings to buy more paint, more canvas, I'm happy. But Don had called me and asked me if I would come and do a painting while I was out here, and I said, yeah, I'll give it a try. Normally I can't participate that often because I never know when I have counseling and that type of thing. But the day worked out, and I'm having a good time, and it's a beautiful day.
Great. Okay, Pastor, it's always good to see you. Well, Wendell,
Yes, sir.
what do you think?
I like this,
You like Saturday with Sawyer? Great. You just got started painting, didn't you?
about a year ago.
Yeah, that's incredible. You know, I know I met you last year, I think on the last art walk, and you said that you were just getting started. And I said, really? Folks, look at that. A floral arrangement done with a palette knife. I guess that's what you call that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, anyway, it does good work. I think Don's going to be down here every Saturday for a while, called Painting with Sawyer, or Saturday with Sawyer. So, anyway, come on down and on Saturday and visit with them, folks. So, Larry, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm doing well. Beautiful Saturday morning for Saturday with Sawyer, isn't it?
Oh yes, it's just right. Temperature is just right.
Yeah.
It's a good crowd. It's a good, nice crowd that comes by.
Yes. So what do you got there? What are we painting this morning?
I'm painting LR the free-range chicken. He's down at the beach, and he's got him a glass of wine.
There you go. LR the
He's having a
free.
good time at Orange Beach.
There you go. Good deal. All right, well, I'll let you get back to your work there, bud.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Don, it looks like we got a good crowd here today.
We're having fun today.
Got a lot of
Having a good
folks.
time.
Got Pastor Robert Carter down there.
Yeah. Grady, we're glad to have him in the group. I've been waiting 2 years to get him.
Yeah. Well, he's a busy man.
He finally came around. Oh yeah, he's busy down there at the cafe.
There you go.
Talking to all those old boys down there, them good old boys. That's a Raymer Cafe.
Yep.
That place is famous. Robert's got art all in there.
Yeah, I've known Pastor Robert
You been in there?
well, I've known him for a long time. We went to church together.
Really?
Yeah.
Good deal. Great artist.
Yep. Oh, he is.
I love the way he does the American Indian.
Yeah.
And you got to talk to the rest of the guys down there, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We got
Yeah.
some new.
Yeah,
some
Sue
additions.
Pierre, Rhonda Sims down there, Larry Finch, you know, Wendell. Of course, you're new.
Finch Allen.
Finch, right.
Yeah,
Finch.
I'm real pleased that we've got 3 additions. Well, I can't call them new because all of them are very experienced artists, and one of them's Pastor Robert Carter, and then Teresa Womble from just outside of Birmingham with her painted gourds and fans. Fantastic stuff. And she sells them like wildfire. And then Susan Pierre. She's a great little portrait artist. As you can see if you look at her stuff. I mean, she's just great.
Yeah, I met Sue at the last art walk.
Right.
Yeah, she was her first time here, so.
And I think that they'll keep coming back because it's like these guys, these 2 artists standing there talking to each other. That's what this is all about.
Right.
Teaching, brainstorming, influencing, inspiring. each other.
Yeah. Yeah, you're talking about Wendell and Larry.
And we appreciate you, Jack.
Yeah. Well, I really enjoy it. It's kind of my therapy as well, as far as video and so forth is concerned. This is my little thing I can do for the community.
Well, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, absolutely. And Wetumpka has really come into its own, I think, with this.
It's coming. We got some more work to do, but it's coming. A lot of people are out there.
And painting with a spoon there.
That's a solid silver baby spoon. It's probably Steve Carr's back there. It's probably his spoon.
Okay.
With a silver spoon in his mouth.
Okay.
Hey, that's the joke.
Yeah.
Great artist standing behind you there, Jack.
Who is it?
Watercolors right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
There's other ones.
Now I don't know these folks, or
You know
I
Steve and Deb Garst?
don't think so.
This is mine.
Uh-huh.
This is mine. I
Just
claim
glad
it.
to have them here. They're
This
great
is
friends
my
of
other
mine.
one. This is my other one.
These guys are just unbelievable world-class artists. They're known all over the world. They don't show a lot here, but that's out of choice. Here's your $5. Yeah. No, 50.
Do you have paint on your face?
Probably. It happens.
All right, we're having a good time down here with Saturday with Sawyer on Company Street. We've got all these artists, people walking by, looking at the artist. So what do you think of Saturday? This is your second Saturday with Sawyer. You were here last week, weren't you?
Yes, I was.
Yeah, I couldn't be here. I was doing a wedding, video in a wedding, so I couldn't be here.
We did.
But yeah, this is great. So what do you think of Saturday with Sawyer's?
I love the camaraderie and the just all together family atmosphere of us artists.
Yeah, there you
Doing
go.
this.
You can trade ideas or whatever. Yeah, exactly. There's no competition. It's just having a lot of fun.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, good deal. Okay, folks, that is Saturday with Sawyer. Well done. This has been a great Saturday with Sawyer event.
It has.
April the 30th, 2022. And we got some great artists here.
Yeah. Rhonda Sims.
Rhonda,
She can paint anything.
yeah, and Sue Pieri.
She is a great little portrait artist.
Yeah,
A little,
yeah.
I say little because she's a little girl and she's obviously working on somebody's portrait right there.
There you go. There you go.
Does some great work. Teresa Womble paints on gourds and fans and you name it, and she's great.
Like I told her, she's got a lot of fans.
I wonder if people really use these fans, do they?
I
Do
don't know.
they?
I've usually at every show I'm so
Yeah, they need to be taking them to church. That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
That's why I put a church on one of them. I've done that in Pine Lake Church before.
Yeah, that's
a
neat.
pretty church, and then somebody
It is.
got that picture from somebody. I love lizards. I love bright colors.
Speak up
You-
a little.
I
That'd
love
be
lizards. I love bright colors.
that would go good in Phoenix, Arizona.
Oh yeah.
They're painted all over out there.
well,
She's
and that
getting
horse-
ready. She's getting ready to go to Santa Fe.
Yeah,
There you
really,
go.
think
I
it
just
really
came
is.
from Phoenix.
Well, that
Yeah.
horse
Yeah.
is a picture that Jennifer Talley took.
Which
on
one?
Facebook.
Oh, the horse?
But I made it a spotted horse. But I asked her if I could use her horse because it was a great pose.
So Jennifer, that was one of Jennifer Talley's horses.
Yep.
Okay.
And my Putin painting you saw. I taught Putin cat.
Yeah, I saw that.
Look at
Yeah.
her hat. She got that hat from Larry.
My friend Larry.
Yeah, that's the free range chicken.
JR.
And then my shirt is one of the gourds, my face gourds that I do.
There you go. All right. And we got Finch here.
Finch is a great watercolorist, as you already know.
Oh yeah.
He does these, what is that, those irises?
Those are wave petunias from my backyard. I hope.
Now we know they are Finch. We've seen your stuff. It looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah,
They can be whatever you want them to be.
right.
It's a great painting right there.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it in a frame for next week.
All right, that'll be neat. And of course, the infamous Pastor Robert Carter.
Yeah, we finally got him up here into the real world from down there. But, you know, he hangs out down at that Raymond Cafe, so we don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know what's happening with him.
If you'll drive down, I'll buy you breakfast one more.
I'm gonna do that.
I'll take you up on that.
Come
Yeah,
on.
maybe we can meet down there.
There you go. That'd be a good deal. And looks like Weldon is taking a break.
Yes, sir.
He's over here. Anyway, this has been and Larry's gone.
He's right behind you.
Oh, is he?
Larry ain't never gone.
Yeah, there you go.
Even when he's not here, he ain't gone.
And his free
He
range
makes such an
chicken.
impression. He's always on your mind anyway.
There you go. And of course, this empty chair belongs to the one and only Don Sawyer. And anyway, Don, has been a great Saturday with Sawyer. Look forward to it again next week.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Take care.
If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.